The Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management is celebrating National Preparedness Month, and we're here sharing a few tips about pet preparedness. Now, you need to think about having your own emergency kit so you can take care of yourself and your family, and then be there for your pets. You need to be prepared to shelter in place with you, your family, and your pets for a minimum of 3 days, or be ready to evacuate. A pet preparedness kit includes treats, water, food, favorite toys, a crate for transportation. You should also include any medication that your pets are currently on. And of course, don't leave home without important paperwork to board your pet in an emergency. That paperwork includes vaccination information, a description of your pet, and emergency contact information. One of the most important things you can have in your pet preparedness kit is a picture of you with your pet in case they get lost or there's an emergency. So remember, during National Preparedness Month, be your pet's hero and get pet prepared.